So friends, if you have an account in HDFC Bank but now you want to change the registered mobile number but you don't know the process, no need to worry, because in this video I am going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open any particular browser in your mobile phone and search for HDFC Insta Service. Also, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now once you search for HDFC Insta Service, select the first link. On the next page, just go down and look for update mobile number option. Once you get it, select that option. Now on the next page, again it is showing update mobile number option. If you go down, there are a few things given over here, like your age should be above 18 years, you should have completed KYC with HDFC Bank, you should be Indian resident, and also there are some things, or there are a few things you need to carry with you, which is your Aadhaar number and your debit card details, so that you can easily complete the verification process. Once you have each and everything, select let's begin option. Now on this particular page, it will give you two options. One is it will ask you, do you currently have an access to your registered mobile number, which is the old one. If you have access for it, select yes option, enter the number, and for verification you can either use date of birth, PAN number, or customer ID. So this is the one way of doing it. If you have each and everything with you, just enter the details, select get OTP. But if in case you don't have access to your registered mobile number, then select no option, and over here again you need to enter that registered number over here, and this time instead of date of birth and PAN details, you need to enter customer ID. And once you have filled up everything, select get OTP option. Now if you don't know how to get customer ID, I have already made a dedicated video on that. You can go and watch that video. I'll try to give a link for that in description below, so you can check it out after this particular video. So I'm going to enter the details and let's select get OTP option. Now I have entered the current registered number, I have entered the customer ID. Let's select get OTP option. Now this time it will send you an OTP on your registered email ID. So enter the OTP over here and then select confirm option. Now I have entered the OTP. Let's select confirm option. Now once you are on this particular page, you just have to go down, and over here you need to enter your new mobile number. But before going ahead, keep that in mind that the new number should be registered with your Aadhaar card. If it is not registered or if it is not linked with your Aadhaar card, then first you have to complete that process. You have to link the new number to your Aadhaar, and then again once it is done, you can come back and complete the process. So let's enter the new number. Now once you enter the new number, select verify using debit card. Select debit card or ATM card option over here and go ahead. Now it will ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your debit card or ATM card, enter the expiry, enter the PIN. Don't forget to check this box. Once everything is done, select verify card option. Now I have entered all the details. Let's select verify card option. Now it is asking me to confirm my identity. So either I can use Aadhaar card eKYC or I can use other verification document. Aadhaar is always an easier option, so you can select Aadhaar option over here and then select continue. Now on the next page, it is asking for Aadhaar consent. You have to select agree option and go ahead. Then select Aadhaar number option over here, enter the Aadhaar number and select generate OTP. I have entered the Aadhaar number. Let's select generate OTP option. Now you will receive an OTP on the number linked with your Aadhaar card. Enter the OTP and select validate. I have entered the OTP. Let's select validate option. Now over here you can see I have got a message saying that your update mobile number request failed as your new mobile number is not linked to your Aadhaar. But in your case, if your new mobile number is linked with your Aadhaar, then the message will be different. It will give you a message saying that mobile number update request submitted, and it will take up to 2 working days to update your mobile number. So which is why it is important to first link the new number to your Aadhaar card, and then you will get a successful message, and within 48 hours your new mobile number will be registered with your HDFC Bank account. So this is the only process which you have to follow, and it will take hardly 10 minutes to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.